Here's one for the Ford fans. Let's check this out. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. Real deal Galaxie XL according to the VIN number. It's an LA built car, which is designated by the J in the second digit. So it's 4J68Z is the beginning of the VIN. So that would be year 64. J is LA built car. 68 is 500 XL and Z. This is originally a 390 V8 car, which is what it has underneath the hood. Tri-power, 3 deuces on it. Take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome bumper, bright work, looking good up front. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This color kind of reminds me of a vintage burgundy as far as a Ford color. Also underneath the hood, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. Check out the still pictures underneath the hood. You'll be able to see the underside of the car, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com, 507-386-1726. You can see rotors up front, so disc brakes up front, polished. 5-spoke wheels, great look on this car. Restored approximately 10 years ago, nut and bolt restoration, and it shows. Take a look down the passenger side of this car and how straight it is. How nice that bright work is, not full of dings in the bright work or extra scratches in the paint. Nice shine to it. Black vinyl interior. Bucket seats, center console, and look at that, 4-speed. Manual transmission. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior in just a bit. First, I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So we get around to the rear to look at the chrome and bright work back here. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it to look at this one yourself, maybe due to distance or time, and you want somebody to take a look at it, report back to you, not a problem. We try to represent them as fairly as we can with the walk-around video that we do, the driving video, so you kind of get a bird's eye view of what it's like to ride in the car, as well as all the pictures. This one won't disappoint. As you look at the driver's side, and also can see how nice and straight those panels are. Again, bright work, not full of nicks. Either with the paint, you might find a couple really small touch-ups, but they are very few and far in between. Let's take a look at this interior. Black vinyl, seat belts in the rear, as well as the front. Also a power window car, and power windows do work. Personally, I had them up and down myself. I've had the wipers working. Did not get the radio to power up. Has a retro sound, newer style radio in it though. Let's go ahead and fire this 390 up. Kind of an old school tack. So it always pops off the minute you hit that key. Sounds good too. Take a look at the top of the dash. You can see there is a speaker in there. Of course, the AC unit below the dash. 4-speed. Here's your power windows. And you can see the front seats are basically like new. Headliner also in good shape. You'll be able to see that all in the still pictures also. Take your time looking through them. How nicely that door closed. And listen to this. Sounds good. Let me slip up to the front. We'll get this hood open. Check out this engine bay and we'll wrap up this video. I think we know how it's going to look underneath here. Go Hood liner, looking good. There it is. Look how nice and clean and tidy this is. Wow. And there's, so 3 2 barrels on a 390. Newer AC unit. That is 134. Power steering, power brakes. It's like a newer master cylinder. Like I said, the car was restored approximately 10 years ago, so it still looks fresh underneath here. Battery disconnect if you have it in storage or in between driving it. Great looking engine bay. Take this to any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Won't be embarrassed to have the hood open. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, real deal, 4-speed. And remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 507-386-1726. Consult with your sales associate. That may be extendable out to 10 years. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. This is a 4-speed on the floor, which would be the center console. Our turn signal indicator is working. Good throttle response and good acceleration from this Ford. Retro sound style radio does work well. Our fuel gauge is reading just about empty. Temperature is on cold. It may still be warming up. Our speedometer is working. Tachometer mounted to the dash, also working. Period correct looking tachometer. The Spectra air under the dash is blowing cold air. Factory appearing bucket seats in this car. Very nice interior, nice paint, burgundy exterior. Power steering working excellent, brakes working. Corners as you would expect for this car. That was third gear in the corner, which is just about right for some low RPM. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight. The wheel is clocked a little to the left, but that does not affect performance. Very nice condition, very good looking Ford Galaxie. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.